Adding minutes to your Tracfone is simple. You can use a refill pin or set up auto refill. Refill pins are found on physical cards from retailers or digital codes bought online. To use a pin, dial 288 and enter the code. Alternatively, auto refill automatically adds minutes when your balance is low using a linked payment method. Manage auto refill through the Tracfone app or website. As of 2025, digital refills and auto refills are the most popular methods, offering convenience and security with features like two-factor authentication. Keep in mind that unused refill pins typically expire 180 days after purchase. Keeping track of your Tracfone balance is crucial to avoid service interruptions. You can check your minutes, texts, and data balance through the Tracfone app, or by texting BAL to 611, or by calling customer service at 1-800-867-7183. Balances typically expire 90 days after activation, unless you add more minutes. Regularly updating your balance ensures you know when to refill. As of 2025, the Tracfone app provides real-time balance updates, making it easy to monitor your usage and expiration dates. Note that Tracfone offers various plans, so the exact method for adding minutes might depend on your specific plan.